In this tutorial, we will explore how to configure a DHCP server on the GetShield firewall. DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, automates the process of assigning IP addresses to devices on a network, streamlining network management and ensuring efficient connectivity. Let's dive in. To configure the DHCP server, start by logging into the firewall using superuser credentials. Then, navigate to the Configurations menu and select DHCP Server. Under the DHCP Server configuration, click on the plus icon. In the Interface section, choose the LAN interface from the available options. This ensures that the DHCP server is configured to assign IP addresses to devices connected to the LAN network. In the Range Start field, enter the starting IP address for the range of IP addresses that the DHCP server will assign to devices on the network. This marks the beginning of the IP address range that will be used for dynamic assignment. In the Range End field, enter the ending IP address for the range of IP addresses that the DHCP server will assign to devices on the network. Set the lease time to 1 hour. You can select the unit of time hours, minutes, or days, according to your preference and network requirements. The gateway is set to the LAN interface IP of the firewall. For the subnet mask, please provide the appropriate value based on your network configuration. As for the primary and secondary DNS servers, you can specify them according to your requirements. You can also enter a description for this configuration. Once you have entered all the necessary details, remember to save this configuration to apply the changes. The next step is to start the DHCP service to enable DHCP functionality on the firewall. Now, to verify the DHCP configuration, ensure that your system's network settings are configured to obtain an IP address automatically for IPv4. This setting allows your system to receive an IP address from the DHCP server configured on the firewall. You'll notice that your system has been allocated an IP address, which falls within the range configured on the firewall. This confirms that the DHCP server on the firewall is functioning correctly. Next, navigate to the DHCP leases section. Here, you'll see that the IP address allocated to your system is listed. In conclusion, we have successfully demonstrated how to configure a DHCP server on the GetShield firewall. By following these steps, you can efficiently automate the assignment of IP addresses to devices on your network. Thank you.